Hey everybody, so this video is going to be a little different. I'm on my phone. I forgot to charge my camera, but I was really excited. I got all the parts to fix the moped. So what we're going to do is fix the moped. My phone doesn't have time lapse, so I'm just going to speed up some video of me working on it. It's not going to take but a few minutes. Yeah, and then I'm just going to ride it. It should work. Okay, so it's now finished. That really did only take a few minutes. And if I spin the wheel on the front, though it's front heavy, we should see Speedo move. And there we go. Speedo is moving, which means we now have a Speedo. I feel good about selling this. I may have found somebody to sell it to. We'll see what happens, or if I want to keep it, because it's kind of fun. And I don't necessarily care as much about this one as I do the other one, since the other one's much nicer and newer. But this one works now. Thanks for watching. This is a short video. Trailer update should be out Friday, but I've started working again from my shirt. You can see that. It's got staff on the back somewhere, but yeah. I don't know how many videos I'll be able to put out now since I've started working again, but thank you for following along. Thank you for subscribing. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and yeah, share this video with your friends and family if you liked it or if it was helpful. Please comment down below. Check out my other videos. Thank you so much and have a good day.